work, and the more money more than a banker. The woman have to work, the woman have to work, and the more money more than a bank clerk. Listen this, penetrate the lyrics. Some people born poor, while some people born rich. Something like how some woman know what these chocolate them buy them, they buy it, who they buy cosmetic. They can looking at them house, it well furnished. They don't left them eye brown eye, that them lipstick. Uptown, downtown, every day them visit. You can't really know them is not a tourist, and them always have money enough in them pocket. So them nice and lovely way of thinking of it. Them have to work, the woman have to work, and have the more money more than a banker. Them have to work, the woman have to work, and have the more money more than a banker. Some people that they get to say them don't want them back. And listen, wish them rich and if they rob them a rob. Some woman have to work just to have the back. If we try that, we jump like a frog or a bubble feeling that till of us. Stop! On more peace.
On more peace.
We're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night.
No move almost. No. Enough people don't know the general and know. No funny nothing the general and place. But the general they are lying, saying and I penalize this tonight. So this is like a sneak peek to me I'm going to write now. So come in.
Vibes to some general trees, you see me?
I say go. We love people. Merry Christmas, never finish. Honey, hear the speech. How long time I'm going to check?
We're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night.
Check a long go. She give me the good. She wanna do the good. Hear me? The funny chick, they get some the funny chick, they get some.
Take you forward, yo. Take you forward. Take you forward, General Trees.
I'm going to entertain the bills.
Take you forward,
Trees. Oh, Bobby, easy. Come to this one. All set to us
go. Listen to my artists from where I go and dance, go pick up buckle.
We're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night.
Leave me, man.
Now he's a Josh on my own, bills. She put this wouldn't
first time here, General Trees, we say, yo, my artist, this is up. And night a Savia, man. A Lanian Skyliner.
The funny chick, you get summer. The funny chick, you get summer. The funny chick. You cannot woman nowadays, the one that have no lyrics. The woman nowadays, the man easy for trick. They went to a session uptown this. Sometime last month around the 26th. Feature dance and juice, me start sick. Me body feel on, me feel for a chick. Me use the eagle eye, me make two grip. And me look beside a nice black African trick. Know me, they come pour and start with some lyrics. Every time when we play, the girl know we have to start and
let me a tourist. Ja.
No, it's so intelligent. All the little young man sing my lyrics in me. So that's nice song.
Yeah, man. Cultural artist. You don't have to turn down the mute when you play the mute. You don't have to turn down your music because you're not listening to nothing slap. It's in cultural.
We're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night.
Good boy, she give me that good boy. She give me that good boy. Watch me now. The funny chick,
Get some.
the funny chick, get some. The funny chick, get some. The funny chick, you get some. You cannot woman nowadays, you have it.
Have no lyrics.
The woman nowadays,
they're not easy for trick.
You went to a session uptown district. Sometime last week around the 26th. Reach it down, some juice, me start sit. Me body feel on, and me feel for your chick. Me use me eagle eye, when me do quick. When me look beside a nice black African chick. Now me step up to her and start playing some lyrics. Every card when me fling, the girl know it. Me have to start talk broad.
Like me a talk.
Just in the house over there, sir.
I mean, own it. You don't collect rent and give people notice.
The only Austin totally get. The brother never have nothing.
I me give it.
Just in the Thriller album.
I me write it. I me write everything I can give Jimmy Cliff.
We have an aircraft, but we can own it. We can seafood, massive go waffle. We need a it. Why me don't talk and drink from it? Sick!
Yeah,
And that's how you did feelings. Says me, and I'm feeling this right.
General Trees.
You want trees in your fountain. Oh Lord have mercy. Little girl. Oh, couldn't have a long door. Till up a long door. Till up a long door. Follow me. Me come put down, you know me come put down. Me come put down, you know me come put down. When I just come, me come put down, you know me come put down. Me come put down, you know me come put down. Long time we tell you enough of them just a come them up. She caught me eye, I got out me tongue. Cause all the pirate DJ we got dust them to the ground. So beat them very badly, make them run up and down. I make them know that culture lyrics come off our tongue. When we coming on the dance, we ram it and down. We hold up on the mic and lyrics on me go. Make a put down, you know we down. Make a put down, you know we make a put down. Make a put down, you know we make a put. Make a put down, you know we make a put down. Yes, the general there, the dance can't done. Yes, the chicken there said the dance can't done. So cause I never fit now the dance can't done. Come bumper me the dance can't done. When we hold up on the mic, the people them have fun. How we see the mother for the rhythm and the dance can't done. Make a way, make a put down, we make come put down, make a put down, we make come put down. When I just come, make a put down, we make come put down, make a put down, we make come put down. Come down chicken just because you make come put down.
When they come down, the house broke down. It's a chicken chest because the lyrical bad-minded people. You better change your way. This is just the beginning of the cut down for the bongo don't come again. Now Gary from New York easy. Come again, selector, conquer by our soldier. Love the band. And I'll see for massive volatile, massive gas scroll. I'm in the construction, massive east. Oh Lord of His mercy. Crossing the river of Jordan. Going to
we got the people follow me, go there, we gonna make some money if we go down there. People follow me, go there, follow me, go there, we gonna make some money if we go down there. We start up on the chop, we gotta look to winner to make some cash. Up on the chop, we gotta look to winner. You see the race ass game, cheese is a maniac. I ask not me have a man of
If you thought that we will take me last money, go a bit in the shop.
you know, if me want lose me, what's it? I know the ass them a go round the track. Me love it so much and me just can't. People follow me go there.
Follow me go there.
I wanna hear it too. I know chicken and I want to move a piece of it. So eat and we come. Ask man, yeah. She put food. She give me the food. She gonna put give me boy. Ask man. You see the race ass game trees is a maniac. I ask blood me have a me no fit talk that.
We will take me last money and go a bit in the shop.
Look your breath, me want look me what's sitting up. Me young go, one of the ass them a go round the track. Believe we go down there, people follow me go there. Follow me go there, we a go make some money. Hear me? Let me tell you about a groomie. When me and Johnny Black, who checked me last week, around 8 o'clock, saying have one ass. I burn up the truck, the ass can't lose it, can go put on me pot. So me feel so nice, me say kiss me neck back. Me have some money in my secret spot. Me run go take it out and head for the truck and buy the ass with all when me got. Not even bus fare, trains to save back. When me deal from me see the ass on top. In them a make a turn, in them a make a pack. With the jack in the sun, and the walking in the back. With the ass foot a go, put the cock.
When the race done run, I lost him come. Feeling weak and me I start done. General Trees.
You have one man that will tell on me, but it look like what I can see. I went there. Now come in, Mr. Wayne. Step in.
Get up, stand up, stand down, stand up for right. Yeah. Get up, stand up, massive. Don't give up the fight. Hear me now. We're sick and tired of the easy, and dying the heaven is easy. saying, Almighty God is a living man. He can fool some people, but you can't fool all the people all the time. But now you see the light. What you gonna do? Stand up for the right. Bringing in, come on. Things on time, it's up, it's a Yes, I'm Mr. Things on time, it's up, it's a Things on time, it's up, it's a Yes, I'm Mr. Things on time, it's up, it's a Don't watch where I now what my battle live on big and fast. You know, so right now my age wide up so. Come on, battle live are fresh. What we do in style? You know that one? Go check this one out. This one called work. Yeah, oh. Everybody know work. Everybody know work hard. Cause if you're not working, you gotta be loafing. And if you're not loafing, you gotta know work. If you're not working, then you ain't gonna eat no food. And if you're not working, then a taxi cannot take. Every person no work. No work. Live shot. Barrington Levy, big. Mike Melody, big. Outside Barrington Levy, champion. Yo. What is this called? They never know. Oh, I never hear them style, yeah. Oh, I never hear them style, yeah. Ooh, I never hear them style, yeah. Ooh, I never hear them style, yeah. Flash it in the A, flash it in the B. Watch the girls, them are coming a different style. Shabbly diddly diddly whoa. Shoodly that last night, Rasta saved my life. Yeah. Last night, Rasta saved my life. With a song, he says, it's not a problem that I can't fix. You are my people and I love you. Just put your trust and believe in him, and he will see that you go through. Rasta save my life. Oh, Rasta save my life. Rasta save my life.
Barrington, Levy.
I'm just say, ooh, God, I'm never hear them style, yeah. Ooh, God, I'm never hear them style, yeah. Shoodly whoa. Come on. Big up.
It's massive. Well, you're niceness. Niceness. Mike Melody, one piece side. I want to turn it now. Mike Melody, one piece side.
Okay, let me shout up all the music. This one goes like this. Your pretty looks is deceiving, girl. Your pretty looks can't control me. Your pretty looks is deceiving, girl. Me say no true, you see me so simple. Oh, wait, no only for dimple. But me coming from the Charlene Temple. Me know me set a better example with me only for dimple.
Charlene Temple. Junior used to run the play, run the 80s. The Junior Charlene Temple run the whole of the 80s. Yeah. Real.
Alright. You know that one. What is this one called? Looking my love. Oh. It's not easy now. Yeah. Looking my love. It's not easy. More than too long. Stay. My woman keep giving me problems. My woman, she is the problem. What kind of world are we
living in?
What kind of world are we living in? 7 fat girls, 1 slim dream. 21 girls salute. Why are we fasting? Why are we fighting over 1 girl? So many girls in this world. Why are we fasting? What are we fighting for?
No, Barrington. Oh, you can't even.
Okay. A shiny girl. A shiny girl. Shiny girl is a trouble to a man. She want uptown, she want downtown, she want fancy car, she want superstar. And tell me where you really want. I said to tell me, I said to tell me where you want. On my way up to Marvel, Mama send me out, we go buy some Cali. I make a miss, I said to mine. I know you roll up your mouth.
Big murder. Hey, Barrington, don't move. Don't move, Barrington. Well, with respect. Hear them national chart tune from last start of them. Hear them tune on that people.
Well, people, you know we love the girls. I love each and every one. Well, we have to do this one, because this one called Levy. He's a selector. I would like to do it like this. Love her just a little bit more.
Little bit more, little bit more.
Yeah, every day I love her just a little bit more.
And she loved me the same.
Because my love
It's my love
and her love, it's my love. Yes, she gives me loving at the right time, daytime, night time. Yes, she gives me loving at the right time. Yeah, every day I love her just a little bit more. And she loves me rhythm, the same, the same, the same, the same. Oh yes! But I live so right now, my boy. So clear! I give it all the bumper. Stop up! What on? What on, Indian? That was the elder one, Barrington Levy. Where come the young one now? I give him follow this. Hello lady, I've been saying you've been my jail. Here to pop. I went up and snap about the wrong neck. Years! No tears. Stop you! Oh Lord, but I don't live in the melody, oh Lord. Celebrity and that is yo. When you touch, I just know the news must spread all around.
Blancs are bien, good vibes. Yeah, it out.
Papa clap on your nice and I clap on your sweet and I dip it on my must get defeat. Clap on your nice, clap on your sweet and I dip it on my must get defeat because month week on, tear by tear, she put still legal business. I hear this. I have a blow the steam. I'm sorry. All peace officer. Bumper. The ball one grenadier, and the police and soldier figure for them. Yeah. One grenadier, and the police and soldier figure for them. Pay. Night and day, yes, me have to pray. The father figure down the love man to wear. Them in a dump of them big it good pay. Them now about a full seal not pay. Them a play jungle like a we same way. One grenadier, and the police and soldier figure for them. One grenadier, and the police and soldier figure for them pay. Every lawman full of the concrete, and they walk under the place, the people not do it. But night time come, and we gonna sleep full of them on the job. I patrol the street, I look for gunman, but fire and thief. I just attend the people there, them no kill thee, them no respect civilians, they get to down police. Who's up for the law, they wanna be the beat. One grenadier, and the police and soldier figure for them. The big one gonna do. See that? One more piece. I know the chicken there. And they want a little piece of it. Come, chicken.
Please. Now enough everything I go on. I'm a vex. You have some entertainer from Jamaica go forward and take coke and do all the wrong thing and crack on them things then.
Red flags.
You know me I talk about. I'm a vex. So you this. I call back all a long time entertainer them.
Straight Youth TV.
Maximum.
The people them TV. Like, share and subscribe.
I'm a vex.
Out the road with the vibes. You see? Florida. Sunshine State.
All of them is a mercy.
That's it.
Come out, tell me what I want done. In a Jamaica like some joke is on take over. But it can't happen, yes. Now with the out your car.
Chicken chest.
The rubber duck some found the car back. All the long time entertain a out all night. But entertain the follower like you don't. And the ring go ranking. Trevor, with an Iris as a pass. Bobby, pressure, you right. I record a condizer. Woman and see. I'll see and then and the cut the Mustang stitch. And Lone Ranger. Michigan Smiley and Sister Brenna Pinhead and Jonah Rankin. Pick out the Rasta Tie and Martin Joe. Come to the rhythm wider. Tell me what I want. No, it's simply because of promoters. I don't want to let her no dollar. Come on, money come first. To some entertainer, some of them look at it in a different manner. Cause of money, some of them jump out faster. Coke and crack find some of them on the cellar. Some in a chunky building in America. Looking at Jamaica come to the long time. Down with the butter like
the whole of vibes,
when the Jamaica black star and the town. Arrows and ambassadors.
The whole of vibes, flea market.
No name Jimmy, show the figure for
up on the flea market, the whole of vibes. Over there, some of the flea market.
Me not go see a side. Watch reggae music, watch by the riverside. Me a go stand up like a militant soldier. Different reggae music from corner to corner. No stop, it's trouble, strictly culture. Follow the trend. Robert, Mr. Marley. One name Ziggy and the makers of melody. Bring reggae music to the highest degree. Award will be given to who participated in justice and intolerance. With the reggae music all over the seas of America, China, and Canada, Europe, Africa, and Venezuela, Trinidad and Tobago, and Cayman. Come again.
So people,
Well, alright, you think we're done yet?
watch me.
Welcome to the show.
I go back to the whole of vibes.
Respect. Hold on.
Yeah, I go back to the whole of vibes at the flea market over here, so. Run a little vlog in the flea market. You don't know what things set. Don't know what things set, so follow me now, man. Like, share and subscribe to the Street Youth TV. So the thing set.